Hi guys, I am back with another video. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be the Boxycharm of June unboxing. I literally just got this in the mail today. It's not opened yet. I'm super excited to see what is inside of this because I know there's like a few varieties of like different things you could get. So I'm gonna open this up with you guys. I know I forgot to do last month's box, but I have this month's box and I wanted to show you guys what is in here and open it up with you guys and see what I got for the month of June. So I don't have my box cutter, but I have my little scissors right here, so we're gonna use that to cut it open. Alrighty, let's open it up. Hello, Charmer. So this month's box, here's the flyer. I don't want to look through that, so let's just get rid of that. I don't know what this month is. Crap, I need to look at the flyer. Hold on. Okay, good thing the first page has nothing on it. So this is the Boxycharm Road Trippin' for July, not June. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is July's unboxing, not June. I don't know my months anymore, but let's just dive right in and see what we all got. So the first thing I pulled out here is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It has argan oil in it. I have it in the shade 05 Desert Rose. There it is. Let it open this little box up and see what the color looks like. So this is what the little blush looks like. Well, it's kind of a big blush. There's 0.19 ounces in here, so that is a good size. I like how compact and sleek the packaging is. If I can open it. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so it comes with the little mirror. I'm just going to black that. This is the color. It's a really pretty peachy, rosy kind of color. It's not really rosy, it's more peachy, and then it has like the letters Note embossed in there, and then it has a little flap that you can flip, and it comes with a little brush. But come on, who really uses these blushes? So that is the first thing on here. In here, the next thing here is the Dr. Britt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't really have puffy eyes, but I will probably pass this along to someone who needs one, probably my mom or something. But that is what this is. Next up we have the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It looks like a little lip gloss tube. I'm not going to open this up because it dries out, and I don't like opening up new bottles unless I'm really going to use them. So this is the tube that it comes in. It's a really pretty tube. I like it, and it has like gold writing all over it and a gold handle. The next thing right here is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Let's see. Oh, cool. So one end is an angled brush. Can you like take it off? I don't think so, no. Okay. The other end, that is not a lot of product. How much is in here? 0.06 ounces. Okay, so on the other side, it's like this really tiny little pot of eyebrow product. That's fine. Let's see how pigmented this thing is. Okay. That's pretty pigmented. It's creamy at least. It's not focusing. It's at least creamy, but it's not my shade. This is a little bit too light for me, so I'm gonna have to kind of pass this on to. And the last thing is the palette. I'm so happy that I got the palette. Let me just quickly look to see what the other thing was that you could have gotten. Okay, so you either could have gotten the palette, which is what I got, or the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I would have been fine with either or, but I'm kind of happy I got a palette. I do need more setting spray, but that's okay. So that is what you could have gotten, or instead of the Dr. Brandt, you could have gotten the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. I probably would have rather gotten that instead of this because, let's be honest, I'm probably not going to use this. So that is what you could have gotten instead of the other two products. I would have been happy with the mask instead of the under eye depuffing gel, but that's okay. I'm happy with this little guy. It came in really nicely bubble wrapped. Throw that out. Let's just open up this palette. I will show you guys some swatches of the palette as well. So this is the palette. It's just a cardboard carton. Comes with a nice sized mirror, and these are the colors. Ooh, they are so pretty. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. These colors. I would definitely be using this, and the pans are humongo. Yeah, these are huge pans. So I'm gonna show you guys some swatches of them. Okay, I did it on the other side, and I can't even like rotate my arm to show you guys. So give me 1 second. Let me just swatch it on the other side of my arm. They're really, really creamy, these. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? 1. Oh, do you guys see that color? Oh my goodness. Here's the second shade from the top row. So pretty. Oh my god, this color is to die for. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that color is. Here's another one. Oh my goodness, this palette. Yep, this is the star of this box. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Let me just wipe this off, and then I will show you guys the swatches of the bottom row. Alright, clean arm again. I'm going to swatch the bottom row for you guys. So here is the first one in the bottom row. Oh my goodness, guys. These colors. Holy crap, look at that pigment. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed with the metallic shades in here. No joke. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do a look with this eyeshadow palette. That will probably be my next video. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want that for the next video. Like a look with these colors. Oh my gosh. Here's the last color I have. Oh, just one swipe. Oh, so pretty. This color right here and the shade in the top row. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys the palette one more time, and I'm gonna tell you guys which one's my favorite. So this is the look again. Well, not the look, but this is the palette again. Okay, so this color right here, this is my favorite. It's like a rose gold metallic shifting color. You can't really tell on the camera, but like it's so pretty. This color right here is one of my favorites, and the first one and the last one, like all the metallic shades. I'm just gonna tell you guys that, like all the metallic shades are my favorites. Let me just swatch you guys the metallic shades so you guys can see it. Ready? Oh my god. Do you guys see how pretty those are? So this is the one that was in the top middle row. You can see like it has like that rose gold shift in it. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I'm obsessed with this palette already, and I haven't even used it on my eyes. Like, they are really, really creamy. I'm gonna have to check out some more Crown palettes because that quality is amazing. Holy crap, guys, this thing is $42. That's expensive. Dr. Brandt is a really expensive brand, so okay. Let me add everything up real quick. Alright, so the total of this month's box is $107.98. That is crazy. That is a huge, huge difference from getting it for only $21. that is a great deal. But if I was to really rate this box this month, I would give it like a 4 out of 10, just because these 3 products, I don't really know if I'm going to use it. The tube on the, like, I'm not a fan of the tube. I don't know what the brush looks like. Let's just open it up because I'm really curious about the brush. Oh, the brush isn't that bad. This is what the brush looks like. Yeah, that's not that bad. We will see. I guess I'll put this to use now that I opened it. But I'm not a fan of the tube, but I will test this out just because I like testing out new mascaras. But these two, they're just no-goes for me. The blush, it's beautiful. The palette is amazing, as you can tell from the swatches and my first reactions to the palette. So yeah, these two were just no's. Throw those away. I don't need those. But 3 out of the 5 items I will probably end up using, and the other 2 I'm gonna toss them to someone else who will use them. So that is what I got for July's Boxycharm. I hope you guys really like this video. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more unboxing Boxycharms, or if you guys want to see me like do like full face of Boxycharm like the month that I get it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.